Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I had promised a lot of things, but I couldn't make regular videos as I had tested positive for COVID 5 days back. So I am still in an sub infected stage. I have taken medicines. I have recovered from the initial symptoms. I really wanted to make this video today because I was feeling fairly well as compared to the day I contracted the infection and wanted to interact with 8 people who have subscribed to my channel. So let me just give you an idea in brief that how symptoms started and affected me. On the first day when I got infected, according to my judgment, it was on the day of Ganpati Visarjan. I had gone out and that day I was just feeling tiredness. So I thought I was roaming outside in the rain. That is why I am feeling tired. Second day, there was tiredness and there was back pain. On the third day, when the symptoms became very evident, I got very high fever. Like in peaks, fever was around 102. Then cough and cold also superimposed. That is, we come to day 5, which was on Friday. My whole back was paining like hell. There was burning sensation, there was cough and cold, fever was there. By the time I had also started the medication also. So yesterday again back pain was there and the symptoms are gradually becoming milder. As you can say, my voice is a little bit hazy. That is because I still have cough and cold. I am going to get myself retested on Tuesday after 7 days, as I am vaccinated twice. I hope I will test negative and will resume the job in the hospital as a patient welfare. So coming back to today's topic for the video is, we all do certain kind of job or business, or we work in a particular profile. I want you all to focus on the fact that, is that job, are you compatible with that job? Also, I want to discuss in today's video is, are we doing job only for money? Are we doing job to run our families? Are we doing job because we got educated in a particular stream and these are the options and opportunities available in front of us? Or are we doing job to show society that we are unemployed? Or are we doing job just because we are good at it? Are we doing job to impress our seniors? Are we doing job to impress the management so that we get promotion? We all have different groups from our offices, and there is one particular person, can be an employee, can be a colleague, can be a manager, who continuously posts something about the job in the group. That makes me wonder that, is that person so passionate about this job? Is that person so worried as compared to others about that particular thing? And that person can be hardworking also. I am not judging his credibility and his ethics. I am just trying to give this discussion a different twist, that what if this person was so passionate about a thing on which he could have started his own business, he could have become an entrepreneur with an idea which he is obsessed about. Because if he's really passionate about doing that particular job, then that person can start his own journey in that particular field. The person I am speaking about is a very senior person in that position in my organization. But is this the way he projects himself in front of others, or does he really care about the organization? What if he leaves this organization tomorrow due to any reason? Will another person be as good as him? Of course he's going to be as good as him. Organization doesn't miss anyone. There are multiple people ready to replace you in the organization. But there is a dream in everyone's heart that one should follow, or one should try to fulfill, or one should try to make that dream a reality. One more thing. That person, my apologies to him in only one regard, that he is now past his middle age. He is in the later years of his career. So it is very hard from me to expect him to start a business if he is so passionate about something. Also, he belongs to a generation of my parents where padhai karo, naukri karo was the one rule. Today, due to technology, the game has changed. It is very rare you will find any job doing justice to your degree. Jobs are not highly paid. The payment is not as attractive as the description mentioned about the post on LinkedIn. So it is quite possible that you are a PhD in pharmacology working in a big pharma factory and earning less as compared to a 20-year-old who earns more playing online games. Such is the the balance of the world with respect to your education, and if you correlate it to the rewards that you get for it, has completely changed. That is why, according to me, the younger generation should of course get educated in a particular field or a particular stream, branch, subject, but they should also try to find out via counseling that what they are good at. Are they good at singing, dancing, painting, cooking? Some people have the ability to open things and repair the electronic devices. There is no shame in being a good electrician. It is equal to being a good doctor. There are many doctors who are doctors, but doctors by degree. They are not good in their clinical work. Some are good in diagnosing the disease, but their surgical work is very poor because they do not have the artistic hand. Some are very good in surgeries, but their wisdom for diagnosis is very poor. Some doctors do have degenerative habits themselves. Some have disturbed ethics. So parents should also see that what quality does their child have, what does he want to become, or do not force them to any professional field. Force them to get a proper education. And proper education doesn't necessarily mean expensive education. Proper education can be taken in a very good, simple, decent, mid-level college in Mumbai or in any other state or city of India. But they will have to learn a skill with the education, whether it is a technical skill, whether it is art, whether it is coding. That is very important. Over the period of last 2.5 years, I have realized that I have a skill to help people, to counsel them, to solve their problems, to guide them. Even if I am not paid for it, even if I do not get a reward for it, I do it. I do it inherently. It just comes out of me. You can come to me with the worst personal life problem. With whatever wisdom I have gained in life, I'll try to help you if you are my friend. The reason also for starting this YouTube channel was that I used to have these discussions with my family members, with my close friends, or with my wife. So I thought, why not sit in front of a very respectful and decent medium and spread the message and spread the content which is useful for people. That is why whenever my video ends, I say that if you have learned 10 to 20% from this video, like, subscribe and share. First of all, I would like to thank you if you are watching videos like this or videos from any other good content creator. You are doing a service to the society, because the amount of stupidity, see, posting funny videos, I do not have any problem with that. I have zero problem with people earning money from it. But to call such people influencers is not a right thing. There are many big shot people present in the society. People even do not know their names, if I tell you. And they literally move the wheel of the society. There are multiple billionaire businessmen और बिलियनियर इन्वेस्टर्स इन स्टॉक मार्केट जिसका नाम भी लोगों को पता नहीं होता है. सो कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट दैट स्किल will be always greater than education in the coming future. And skill doesn't mean that it is a technical skill. It can be a soft skill also. There is very limited scope for people who are just believing in plain education these days. You need to have a good communication skill. You need to have good presentation skills. You need to have good or decent skills in computer. You need to know that how to send emails. Of course, the younger generation does know it because they are more tech savvy. I am talking about people who are stuck in their mid-30s. And when I ask people that why don't you learn this, why don't you learn that, they often give me, I think the most ridiculous reason I hear is, "Arey, I am married now. I have responsibilities of my mother-in-law. I have responsibilities of my kid. घर पे जाती हूँ तो time नहीं मिलता है." That is all bullshit. You have to be selfish and take 1 hour for you. You have to dedicate 1 hour to yourself to develop new skill. Making a YouTube video relaxes me. I am very comfortable speaking or ranting about someone. I always used to rant in front of my friends about a certain topic, and I always had a different and an alternative view about a particular situation. Not necessarily a devil's advocate kind of a view, but to look at the situation from both the aspects. This also comes to me from watching a lot of TV series which were based on crime, wherein an inspector or a criminal psychologist profiles the mind of a criminal, that what is the motive and intention behind this crime, what is the motivation. I think from the last 3 years, I started reading a lot or watching videos about human psychology also. That how it shapes a person, how a person decides to do something, why in my life I have been inconsistent. The only thing the only thing I lack in life is consistency and discipline, which I'm trying to gain. The reason I have taken up this job is just to become consistent. Otherwise, if you study my profile, I should not be doing this job. But two things I know: I want to be consistent and I love to help people. That is why I have taken a position of a patient welfare officer. Where I will end up, I do not know, because I also believe that I may work for a good healthcare organization or a healthcare tech company in the future. But this is what my current role is, and I love it. And if I become consistent in this, I may get promotion and I may become the HOD of patient welfare in some hospital, which is my primary aim. It is just that I have to be confident enough and stick to this profile. So, moti, if you see, the moral of the today's video is that one should develop their own skill, whether it is communication skill, whether it is a technical skill, whether it is a physical skill. Health and welfare industry is underexposed in India. In the future, people are going to need more and more personal trainers to help them achieve physical fitness. Any person who is not bright in maths or science or geography, that person can be bright in sports. So he can do different degrees, professional degrees in sports training, and he can become a high level coach for someone. One has to explore new horizons with respect to the primary education they have. We see a lot of people earning a lot of money by Amazon trading. By Amazon, I think it is called as Amazon FBA program. There is no shame in that, because job opportunities are very limited in society these days. One more thing or request I want to make to my audience is that you should hear my videos while you are relaxing in the evening, or while you are sleeping, or you are about to sleep. I have tried to pace these videos in such a way that you should grasp or gain something when your mind is very peaceful. And that is why I have kept the pace of the podcast very slow. So for today, it was that focus on yourself, develop a skill which you can monetize in the future. I hope you guys are doing well. Even if you are vaccinated, wear the mask, take care. And if you have learned even 10 to 15% from this video, do like, subscribe and share my channel, and keep supporting good content on YouTube. Entertainment is okay, but entertainment is not going to bring value to your life. Even I see a lot of entertaining videos. There is no harm in that. But we should keep on supporting content which brings value to your life, whether it is my channel or any other channel do you like. There are channels who are making a lot of good content about finance, about health, about women empowerment, about labor laws. So eventually, I want this channel to grow. I want that audience should give me suggestions about on which topic they would like me to speak. I will read on those topics, I will research on those topics, and I will speak and make new videos. This ranting is also good, but a video with a specific title or with a specific aim will be something else with proper research behind it. So I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. Continue to eat good food, try to save and invest money, and have a great weekend. Bye.